Hello and welcome. You are watching India.com with me, Malika Mehzabeen. And in conversation today, we have somebody who knows all the 5W1H of journalism. And you know why I'm saying this? Because he himself has portrayed one. Let's welcome none other than Saqib Salim. Hi, Saqib. Thank you so much for being a part of the
I'm
show.
Malika Mehzabeen. How are you doing?
Good, good, good. Amazing. I have to tell you this. I have to begin with the Crime Beat trailer on Z5 Global. As a journalist, I couldn't resist myself telling you that you nailed it. The
अरे
performance, I mean, lovely, amazing. You're getting so much of love, intense love.
अरे
ऐसा लग रहा है.
अरे नहीं यार, it's like I said before, it's all we work towards, right? Appreciation कि कोई आके पीठ
Hmm.
थपथपा दे और बोल दे अच्छा किया तूने. That's what one
Yes.
can ask for as an artist, and I'm very very happy that it is
Hmm.
generating the love that it is. And yeah, so fingers crossed. Hopefully, when you see the show on the 21st of Feb on Z5 Global,
Hmm.
you will call me back and say, "Arey, it was a good show. Not only the trailer was
Definitely.
good, the show is also good."
Amazing. Sakib, I saw you portraying a crime journalist. और crime
जी,
journalist की ना जिंदगी बड़ी ऐसे हमेशा it's on the always on the verge of danger because आप कुछ
correct,
ना कुछ investigate कर रहे हो, कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो,
correct,
कुछ बता रहे हो.
correct.
So how was it portraying Abhishek Sinha?
No, very exciting, very very exciting. Like it gave me the characters given me a huge canvas in terms of just the different kind of emotions he goes through the whole season. And what
Hmm.
was interesting is I was getting to work with Sudhir Mishra, who is known to be
Hmm.
extracting new and different things from their actors. So as an actor, I had that knowledge
True.
of working with such a senior and reputed filmmaker and push my boundaries.
Hmm.
So I just
Hmm.
allowed the script and the material to take over. And to Sudhir bhai, I was
Hmm.
under his guidance. I'm like, sir, मैं करता हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से करूंगा, बहुत मेहनत करूंगा, and somehow it's come together well, यार. And I feel
Hmm.
मलिका जब नीयत अच्छी होती है, तब आधी चीजें अच्छी हो
Hmm.
जाती हैं. गलती तभी होती है
True.
जब नियत
काफी
में
सही.
कहीं खोट आता है.
हम्म. खैर बहुत ही बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आई गेस दैट्स क्वाइट एप्ट.
Hmm.
दिस इज योर सेकंड टाइम सबा आजाद के साथ काम करते हुए आई बिलीव. सेकंड आई
No, no,
बिलीव.
no, 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 no,
थर्ड.
no, 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 no. She was my debut actress. She was
द
opposite
फर्स्ट
me
वन.
in my first film. So it's not like second. She's the most special co-star I've ever had. I made my
आई वाज
debut
कमिंग
with
टू
her.
दैट.
I made my debut with her. And I got to work with her after 14 years. It took us a while to come back to working together, but it's like हम कल ही तो मिले थे उस सेट पे और आज इस सेट पे हैं. Like nothing had changed. Time had passed, but nothing had changed. Our banter was the same. Our jokes were, of course, slightly more evolved, but our personalities, the core was the same. But of course, with the experiences we've had in our lives, we've also grown as people, grown as artists. I think she was always a good actor, but now after having worked with her after 14 years, I'm like, oh man, she's really in it. So very very happy to be working with her again. It's very special because people still send me a lot of love for Mujhse Friendship Karoge. So all the fans of Mujhse
या.
Friendship Karoge are really happy on my social media when they are putting things of us together, is saying, "Arey, it started from here, now we here," like making these memes. Damn cute, guys. Thank you. I hope Sabah and I can both live up to your expectations. But we had a great time making this one as well. So
या.
I love her. She's a lovely girl. She's so original, so unique, and uh, and a great, great actor. So it's always a pleasure working with her.
दैट्स लवली. दैट्स रियली लवली बिकॉज आप जब मेम्स की बात कर रहे हो ना तो इनफैक्ट वो मेम्स मैंने भी देखी एंड आई वाज लाइक इट्स जस्ट नॉट मीम्स. इट्स लाइक लोग मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा कोलैज बना रहे हैं. योर
Correct.
फर्स्ट फिल्म एंड दिस वन, हाउ
Yeah.
फार यू पीपल हैव कम टुगेदर. दैट्स
Yeah.
रियली लवली.
वो बट मजे की चीज ये है कि उसमें मजे की नहीं, दुख की चीज ये है कि सबा सेम ही लग रही है 14 साल बाद भी. मैं थोड़ा बूढ़ा सा हो रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्या ये क्या सवा इस लोग मैंने क्या खा रही है यार. ये जड़ी बूटियां इधर भी दे. ये क्या है. कह रही है कुछ खा ही नहीं रही हूँ, वही
नहीं
है
नहीं, आई एम
आप.
वेरी श्योर. नहीं, आई एम वेरी श्योर योर फैंस मस्ट हैव बीन सेइंग आप बूढ़े नहीं लग रहे बल्कि और ऐसे जवान हो गए हैं और हैंडसम लग रहे हैं बिल्कुल
सेक्सी
ही।
बेबी,
सो
वो तो मेरा सेल्फ डेप्रिकेटिंग सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है, वरना तो मैं बहुत सेक्सी हूँ।
agreed, totally agreed. Sakib, it has been more than a decade for you to be in the industry.
14 years
2011
man.
से शुरुआत करी,
14
14
14
years,
years, this is my
more than that.
14th year.
So, over the period of time, you have given so much of good movies. मतलब अभी recently सीटाडेल देखी, फिर उसके बाद मेरे डैड की मारुति and so many films you've done.
हम्म।
तो कभी ऐसा लगा कि बॉलीवुड में जो रिकॉग्निशन चाहिए थी वो मिल गई है
हम्म।
या अभी मिलनी बाकी है?
बॉलीवुड में पता नहीं, और ये
हम्म
सब मैं नहीं सोचता, बट क्या मैं am I deep inside very happy with all the work that I've done? I'm very happy about it, but I'm very hungry still. I
हम्म
really want some more good work. I am really look forward to a lot of filmmakers to cast me in a lot of exciting, unique things.
हम्म
So very grateful, very happy with the journey, but not very content with the journey because I feel like I've just started here. I made my
हम्म
debut at 21. Nobody makes their debut at 21.
हम्म
I started very early, so my journey is going to be longer.
हम्म
एंड अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, आप देखो क्या क्या करता हूँ मैं। अब तो जाके दिमाग आया है थोड़ा यार। पहले
हम्म
मलिका, अब पहले तो बच्चे थे, पहले तो कोई दिमाग ही नहीं था, अब तो एग्जैक्टली पता है कि क्या करना है मुझे। एटलीस्ट दैट क्लैरिटी इज हेल्पिंग मी इन दिस phase of my career to find these interesting things for myself.
हम्म अभी यू सेड कि अब यू नो कि क्या करना है पता है। तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि सिंस बहुत सारी मैंने आपको बहुत कॉमेडी फिल्म्स वगैरह में भी देखा है, तो कभी ऐसा लगा कि टाइपकास्ट हो गए या उसी तरीके की स्क्रिप्ट्स आ रही हैं एंड नाउ व्हेन यू से कि अब पता चले कि क्या करना है तो यू आर वेरी पिकी विद स्क्रिप्ट्स और रोल्स?
I'm not picky about scripts and
नहीं।
roles. I am just very sure of when I hear something that I'll be good or not in it. Because I think I have gotten to know
हम्म
myself better as an artist. दैट जब आप
हम्म
मैं नया नया था ना जी, मेरी कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं थी। मैं तो दिल्ली से उठ के आ गया था, मुझे बोला
हम्म
डायरेक्टर ने कि ये लाइन ऐसे बोल दो, मैंने बोल दी। It's only after my
हम्म
first two films I really started working on my acting and I realized, oh, there's a lot more that one can do. I'm playing it very safe right now. I'm only playing
हम्म
versions of myself. So जब वो प्रोसेस चालू हुई and that process
राइट
went on for a while, it reached a point where I got very secure कि मुझे आता कितना है। पहले तो आपको यही श्योर नहीं होता कि आपको आता कितना है।
हम्म
सो आई थिंक जब से वो पता चला है,
हम्म
तब से मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हूं कि हाँ, मैं सुनूंगा और मुझे पता चल जाएगा ये मुझे करना है कि नहीं करना। मैं किसी और प्रेशर की वजह से नहीं कर रहा ये प्रोजेक्ट।
हम्म
हम्म।
हम्म हम्म you and your sister Huma, you guys have been very upfront and very bold and very emphasive on the fact that coming outside from the industry, you have proved your mettle. आपने दिन रात मेहनत करी है and now we see you in such amazing roles. So what is one thing would you like to tell it to the people who are coming outside from the industry and trying their luck?
नहीं, आई कांट स्पीक फॉर हुमा, बट आई फील
हम्म
लाइक फॉर मी राइट नाउ द जर्नी इज जस्ट बिगन यार। मैं जो 5 साल पहले था,
हम्म
मैं अब उससे आइडेंटिफाई भी नहीं करता हूँ। तो आई फील लाइक जो
हम्म
मैं अब अगले 10-15 साल करूंगा वो मैटर करता है, और वो मुझे लेके जाएगा जहां मुझे जाना है। I'm, like I said before, very
हम्म
grateful for the opportunities and the films that I've been part of. But now is the time for me to find more interesting parts. And there are not, the problem is not of volume, Malika. The problem is
हम्म
of quality right now. To find the right quality projects
हम्म
and quality roles. And nor am I here to start any debate, but it's not like कि मैं घूमता हूँ और मेरे पास 25 स्क्रिप्टें आ रही हैं और मैं उसमें से सोच रहा हूँ कि क्या करना है। मुझे आ रही हैं 4-5 स्क्रिप्ट और मैं
हम्म
उसमें से बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी करना चाहता हूँ अपने लिए। सो
हम्म
द आइडिया बीइंग यार, आप इंडस्ट्री में आइए, आप मेहनत करिए, अपने स्किल सेट पे मेहनत करिए। अगर आपको अपने स्किल सेट पे भरोसा है, तो सूनर और लेटर you'll get your chance. And then make sure you prove your mettle. Because
हम्म
once you prove your mettle, the industry keeps giving you
हम्म
back. So that's where I'm at.
true. Hmm. Okay, so coming back to the last one, how was your experience working in Crime Beat? What were the takeaways जो आपने throughout the series लिए?
Nothing, just the takeaways is the relationships I've made on the show, the friendships I've had, the learnings I've had working
Hmm.
with so many talented people. Like every day was just a new day with a new person, and I'm like, "Arey, wow, man, this person does it like this. There's so much to learn from." So I'm going to take
Hmm.
that back with me. Just the experience of
Hmm.
working on a Sudhir Mishra show was very, very exciting.
Hmm.
I've had this beautiful relationship with Z5 Global. I have
Hmm.
done, this is my fourth or fifth collaboration with them. So it's
Hmm.
always great to come back here. It's like a homecoming of sorts for me. So just
Hmm.
that, all these things are something that I've really enjoyed, and I'll take them back with me.
Hmm. All right, that was quite a thing. I must say कि आपके audience या जितने भी viewers हमारे इस चीज को सुनेंगे, they'll definitely love it. So we're really
Thank
looking
you,
forward to this
Malika.
meeting on 21st of Feb. All the very best.
Thank you, Baba. Bye.